Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel HoneyEduTech. Today we are going to discuss about a topic article. Let's go into the topic article. Here you can see A and the. These are these are articles. Okay, these are articles. And we have three articles here. They have divided into two types, a and an and the. Here a and refers to indefinite article and the refers to definite article. So what is indefinite article and what is definite article we will discuss in further classes. As of now, just see this a and is indefinite and the is definite article. And so everyone has a doubt like what are these articles and where these articles are used. Let us have some discussion. Okay, here you can see one example. C is excellent. So here which article will come, whether a or an, whether the. So here no article will be placed here. Why? Because here he mentioned that this is on note point. Keep in your mind, no article will come because there is no noun after excellent. Okay, there is no noun. So in article, noun is the one which plays a crucial role. So whenever there is a noun, then only articles will be placed. Here you can see C is excellent. So here there is no noun after excellent. So that is why there is no articles are used. Suppose here this sentence, an article comes before a noun. Okay, this is an important point. C is excellent student. Student is the noun. Student is the noun. So here it will come an. So how here it will come a, how it will come an, how it will get the, here we will discuss in the further classes. So as of now there is article we are using. C is an excellent student. So the thing was no article will come because there is no noun. So noun should be placed after excellent. Without a noun, articles cannot be used. In articles we have two types. One is indefinite article and definite article. To understand indefinite article and definite article, we should know what are the alphabets and what is vowel and what is consonant. Okay, so as we know that alphabets we have 26 letters. Everyone knows that A to Z we have the 26 letters. Okay, so in this, what are the vowels and what are the consonants? Okay, so A, E, I, O, U. So I will write here A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Other than these vowels, okay, other than these vowels, how many we have here? 5. So other than this we have 21 letters. These 21 letters are called consonants. So these 5 are A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and other than these 5 letters we have 21 letters. Those letters are consonants. So why these vowels and consonants are important? So this is one of the important point. Why these vowels and consonants are important? When using indefinite article, okay, whenever, because already we told we have two articles, that two types like definite article and indefinite article. But while using indefinite article, for A it will take the consonant sound, like B, it start with B, C and D. The sound will start from that letter. It comes with start with vowel sound, it will take an. Suppose let's take an example. C is dash excellent student. excellent student. So here which article will takes place, whether a or an. So here you consider this is the one of the letter E, excellent, excellent, so it takes the vowel sound, so it will take an. Suppose if the letter takes the consonant sound, then it will replace with a. If it is take a vowel sound, it will take an. A, an, as we discussed, a, an are indefinite articles. We already know this point. Okay, so when we use these indefinite articles, here you can see this is very important. We use them when we talk about something for the first time. This is very important. Talk about something for the first time or something that is not specific. When we use them when we talk about something for the first time or something that is not specific. Let's see how a is used, how an is used. Let's go with some examples. Already I told you a will be used with the before the consonant sounds, an will be used before the vowel sounds. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Other than these a, e, I, o, u letters, remaining are the consonants. So here the first example, I saw, see this is the article, these are the articles. I saw a cat. Here cat, it's like a ka, cat, so it is not an vowel sound. We don't have like k or ka something in this vowel sound. Okay, so this is the one we are taking the article a. I saw a cat. So here see one point, here any cat, it's not a specific one. Okay, that is the thing, that something that is not specific. So here we are talking about any cat, we are not talking about the particular one cat, we are talking about any cat. Same thing, he has a car. He has a car, same, cat, car, we don't have that vowel sounds. And another one is the an, used before words that starts with vowel sounds. I already told you, here the vowels are a, e, I, o, u. The first one, she ate an apple. Here you see the first letter sounds as apple, a, apple, a means it's like sounds like a vowel sound, so it will take an. He is an honest man, honest man. Don't think that here we have h, okay, and it is a letter is a consonant, so it will take a. It sound here the h is silent, so honest man's means it's like vowel sound, so it will take an. Okay,